Hello everyone, I'm Michael Lexington, Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of Lexington Codes. Now, you're probably wondering what this is. This is proof that your life is about to change forever. I'm holding in my hand the official documentation that completely legitimizes and authenticates every single trade ever made with Lexington Code. The Lexington Code is the latest trading software available only to private brokers, but with this endorsement of industry-recognized certification, we're now ready to go public with our incredible software. And that's where you come in. It's been incredibly hard keeping this secret and exclusive for so long, but we wanted to make sure that we had every single aspect of our formula and interface perfect before rolling out to the public. Our traders have been making at least $500 to $5,000 per day for the past 9 months. We've been astounded and blown away by these figures, but this certificate of authenticity proves the legitimacy of every single trade ever made by Lexington Code. What this means is that an outside accounting and legal firm has gone through our entire user trade history and database to fact check and certify every cent that's been traded through our software. In other words, this is not another one of those bogus get-rich-quick offers. In fact, we have an entire page dedicated to our members with testimonials and their actual profits within the last week. Feel free to pause the video and check it out below before I go on. So like I said, our members are making on average anywhere from $500 to $5,000 every single day. When was the last time you made that much money in one day? Well, the key to long-lasting financial freedom and sustainable wealth is by creating a continuous flow of income, big or small, that can be used to generate more income. In other words, trading and investing. The programming behind Lexington Code is so extensive and advanced that our traders have not lost one single trade in these last 9 months. We have actual rocket scientists continually updating and perfecting our algorithm, so our market data and market potential is always the most cutting edge. Now that we're ready to go public with our software, knowing that it's backed by the industry, we're looking for 25 beta testers to help with the launch of our public trading server. This means you're one of only 25 lucky people that we're offering a free copy of our software to before the rest of the world has a chance to buy it for close to $3,500 per software license. Listen, I don't have the time or energy to waste your time with games or fake promises. This offer is real, and the money you'll make with Lexington Code is real. So if you're looking to make up to $5,000 every single day and are serious about becoming a beta tester, keep watching, follow me back to the office where I'll introduce you to the rest of the Lexington Code team and have them explain more about the brains of our software. But if you're still questioning whether or not you're going to take this offer, please click away now and give your spot up to the next person. We're looking for only the best and most motivated beta testers, so make up your mind and let's start making some serious money. We got it.
Is that what I think it is? Holy shit, let's get rolling.
That's why I'm here. I want to introduce you to our new beta testers for our public server.
Oh, hello. I'm Barry Stork, and I created the main coding platform for Lexington Code and am now the lead programmer.
Would you mind telling them a little bit more about your background and how Lexington Code actually works?
Well, I have a master's degree in aerospace engineering from MIT and a bachelor's degree in computer technology from Boston University, which is actually where I met Michael. Right out of college, I was offered a job from SpaceX to work in their propulsion lab, but Michael and I had already started building the algorithm for Lexington Code, and at that point we only had to create a user interface before we could test out its trading capabilities. So I passed on that job and helped build what is now the most advanced trading software in the world with the highest profit potential on the market.
It's true. Barry and I met at BU, but we only knew each other from the lacrosse league. He was in classes I didn't even know existed, so I let him take care of the tech side. I'm just the business guy. Barry, can you explain what makes Lexington Code so unique and advanced?
Sure, it's relatively simple if you're somewhat familiar with binary options. Trading software that uses binary options essentially shows you a potential trade for a fixed dollar amount. You either take it or leave it. What our software does is binary options with a twist. When the Lexington Code presents you with a potential trade, our software actually makes multiple small deals in exchange for a higher fixed dollar amount. That way you're left with the same trade but with a higher profit potential. Think of it this way, instead of offering one trade or one offer of one type of stock, we offer a small portfolio of stock in exchange for a better deal for you. It is truly a win-win for you. And I'm sure Michael has told you that at this point, we have not lost a single trade since we started privately testing 9 months ago. And this is how our members are making up to $5,000 a day too. It is just a more enticing way to trade on the market. Investors are always looking to diversify their portfolio, so they're willing to pay more if they know they're getting a little bit of a lot of things rather than a lot of one thing.
Even I understand that. Thanks a ton, Barry, and keep doing whatever it is you're doing because it really works.
Cheers.
As you can see, we don't have a giant office with a huge staff. We do this on purpose to keep our overhead low. For this reason, we don't take huge cuts of our members' trade profits like other trading software does. When you make a trade using Lexington Code, what you see is what you get. You keep every single penny of every single trade you make. I want to quickly show you this week's trade history from our current private members. Take a look. These are our members' results from the past 7 days. Check it out. Derek Weaver made $1,862 yesterday, and Michelle Warner made over $3,000 this past Wednesday. Unreal. But what's really crazy is that the lowest amount on this page is $796. So all of our members made at least about $800 every single day this past week. That is serious income. Before I show you how to secure your spot as one of our 25 beta testers, I want you to hear from our real members. Here are a few videos that some members sent in to let us know how much they're loving the results.
Hi Michael, I just wanted to say a massive thank you. I've been using Lexington Codes now for 3 months and I've already paid off my house, car and student loans. This week alone, I've made $13,000. I mean, how incredible is that? I'll never be able to thank you guys enough for letting me in on the magic you guys have created. All my stress and anxiety is completely gone these days, and that alone is priceless. Thanks again, Michael.
Michael, it's Will. How you doing? I think you gave me the Lexington codes 1 week ago, and I'm just looking here. I've already made over $10,000. It's ridiculous. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I guess you were right there, man. This shit works. Yeah, I'm a little bit speechless. I don't really know what to say. But I just want to thank you. Thank you so much, Michael. You and the team have really come up with something pretty special here. So cheers, mate. Keep up the good work, and so will I.
Hi guys, it's Greg Richards here. Just to let you know, I've made over $4,000 in the past 5 days. I haven't even touched the software this past week. I've been on vacation and the software has just completely been on autopilot. I'm just blown away by what you guys have done, and thank you so much for completely changing my life. I owe you more than you know. Cheers.
Okay, let's get down to business. Like I said before, we're looking for 25 beta testers to get a free copy of this unbelievable software. Software that will make you between $500 and $5,000 every day. You've seen the numbers, you've heard from the real members on our team, and you can rest assured that we are not blowing smoke up your ass about this. This is the real deal, and you're now getting the chance to get in on the ground floor. If you're serious about making money and are motivated enough to start now, then sign up below. Literally, all we need from you is your email address, because we're going to send you an email with your software license and activation info. Just so we know you're the right beta tester for us, I want you to know that you will need $250 to make your first trade. After that, you can trade as little or as much as you'd like. But $250 is our broker's minimum trade deposit in order to start working for you. This is hardly any money when you know you'll be making at least twice that every single day you use Lexington Code. So listen, the next step is you need to submit your email address below this video to confirm your spot on our 25-person beta testing team. Once you do that, you'll be directed to another video where I'll help you get your trading account set up and ready for trading. It's that simple. If you sign up now, it will truly be minutes before you start seeing incredible profits pouring into your account. You may even have $10,000 by the end of the week, like my buddy Will Bennett just showed you. Sign up below and let's get started. We're a small but effective team working countless hours, day and night, to make this software work as well as it does for you. So we don't have the time to wait for you to decide whether this is right or not for you. Please do not take this opportunity away from someone else who will be ready to jump at the opportunity you're now being given right now. Start your new life today and start enjoying what financial freedom and a stress-free mind feels like. I promise, you'll never regret using Lexington Code because it is truly the gift that keeps on giving. Start making tens of thousands of dollars every week by signing up now. I'll see you on the next page.